Hey babes, so let me turn the radio down. We just pulled up to the house. Say hi, whiny butt. I don't know why I didn't start vlogging earlier, but I went to the Goodwill and I dropped off 2 bags of clothes.
Mommy got us Chick-fil-A. Yeah.
Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to put my bag on so we can go.
Chick-fil-A cards and you get them over and over again. Yeah.
No, we don't. So I took moments like that is what I'm ready to be able, like, the girl, I was trying to get out of my car and keep vlogging, but the girl was sitting outside, like, looking at me like, what are you doing? But when I'm at my house, anyways, you guys, I don't even want to show you what my apartment looks like right now. We just came home because, like I said, I went to the Goodwill, and then I took the kids to get, and myself, of course, to get some lunch. And I look a hot mess right now because, turn it down. Because, like I said, I haven't said yet. I've been cleaning, trying to pack. You guys, my apartment, if you guys can just look at my, put it back on the counter. Go sit down and I'll get it ready. Like, if you can just see how I have stuff literally everywhere. It's so crazy. I have my brand new rug here, which I want to take it out to the house this evening, hopefully. I'll update you guys a little bit more in the next clip probably. I'm about to eat lunch really quick and I'll talk to you guys in a second. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I never did, I never came back on camera after we ate lunch or whatever. But I'm currently in the car, as you can see, and I'm on the way to, see a fire truck? I'm on the way to my bank, to one of my banks because I need to get a check. As you can see, I have got all done up finally because I was looking a hot mess earlier, and I'm dressed so that we can go handle some business. I'm about to pick up my husband in a minute as well. So yeah, that's what's the plan right now. There has been so much like back and forth, signing this, signing that for the whole process. I'm wearing my necklaces from She Inside that I hauled, and also that bodysuit. Y'all, it's really too hot to be wearing anything, but obviously we have to wear something, and I wanted to kind of be semi-cute. So yeah, I'm at the bank currently in the line. Mason, you know how like you always think, oh, nobody's gonna be doing this right now. Like, nobody's gonna be at the bank right now. I can go. Of course, that's not how it works. And then I always like, I try to think of like the most random place, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree. Nobody should be at the Dollar Tree. Everybody and their mama, auntie, cousin, sister, baby mama be at the Dollar Tree, and I'm like, really? But as soon as I'm done with this, I'll pick up the camera and I'll talk to you guys in a second. I thought I forgot my driver's license, y'all, which I thankfully I found it, but I switched purses, so. But I found it. Put y'all right here for a second. I'm probably like a minute late. Thank you. Oh, you gave me a lot. Okay. Thank you. 20. Alright. Sorry, y'all. I forgot to count my minute before I left the bank. But, oh my God, it was so freaking crowded, of course, because I'm in a rush. But now I'm out, and let me tell you guys a funny story. So, well, it's not funny, but one time I went to the bank and, you know, I think I cashed a check or was withdrawing a check or something like that, and I just like cashed it or withdrew from my bank or whatnot, and then I just left because me and the lady were talking or whatever, and then I realized, well, I don't think I even realized. Oh yeah, I did, because I thought I was trying to go make a payment and I was like $5 short. And I was like, well, I know I just went to the bank, so I knew what, you know, like right exact amount to get. And then I was just like, well, what the heck? And then the lady from the bank had called me, and she was like, hey, I forgot to give you your such and such amount, so I just went ahead and credited it back into your account. And I was just like, okay, that's what happens. Thankfully she called me. We knew each other from like our kid went to the same daycare or whatnot. But yeah, so always check the amounts that you are handed after you guys leave the bank or a store or whatever the case. It's pretty much common sense, but I know sometimes if you're like me in a rush, and you just don't think about it. So luckily there's still some good people in the world, and you know, she called me. So I'm about to pull up at Lowe's to pick up my hubby, and yeah guys, let me let him know that I'm here. All right y'all, so we have made it. Look at Mason in the back, his neck just swinging.
Your ass gonna get copyrighted.
We have made it to our destination. It was kind of, well, no, I don't want to say it was hard to find, but the sign was really small. So I doubt I can film on the inside. So you'll see if
I wonder if we go in right here.
Pretty sure we go in. So y'all will see us either inside or when we're done.
We early. You know, black people don't show up early.
Well, we are on time.
They finna be shocked.
Are you excited?
First black people ever to show up early.
Are you excited?
30 minutes
We're 30 minutes early, so hey.
They're gonna be like, what the fuck?
Better early than late, right?
I just got off work. I'm tired.
Yeah. He's tired.
Looking dusty.
I know. I thought he was gonna go home and change, but we're just about to sign some papers. Oh, I didn't even tell them what we were doing.
Oh.
What are we doing? What, Mace? You want some gum? You ask your dad.
We should have got some drinks.
Well, we know where like that. We got the keys. Oh, you blocked it.
Everything is in here.
How does it feel? How does it feel?
There's a lot of paperwork.
We just basically signed our whole entire life away.
We have the car keys.
Oh yeah, I do.
Mommy's got the camera.
Nobody told me that it was gonna be that much paperwork. Like, it was so much signing, but it really didn't take as long as I thought. But now we're rushing to go pick up Aaliyah because she's in daycare obviously still, so we have to go pick her up. But all of our keys and stuff are in here, so your camera looks better than mine. Why does yours look better?
Because my phone is better.
But we're excited, so we'll probably head out after we get Aaliyah. I know for sure I want to go out to the house and test these keys out. So.
Now that we got these keys, I could buy my Camaro now.
Oh my God. Why do all men want fast sports cars? Like, I don't understand. So I'll see you guys whenever we make it to our house.
Can we go that way?
All right. So I already have my rug laid out over there. Lily, this is where the laundry area is. Here, sorry. So this is where our stuff would go. And then over here, should I have a film? This is where our dining table will go. I love our floors. Oh, I forgot the name of them. What's the name of these? I forgot. And we also got these faux wood like shutters. No, I don't know if you guys know, but I love white cabinets, so that's what I was going for in here. Just an overview of our kitchen. I love our bar, and I have a lot of counter space. And then we have black appliances just because I didn't want the kids like fingerprints and stuff to show, so we didn't go with stainless steel. And then of course our fridge will go here, which we're gonna go do tomorrow. Let me show y'all the rug that I ended up getting. So this is the rug I got off Overstock. It's 8x10, and my colors are gray, obviously, but I'm gonna incorporate, like, I'm gonna have white curtains. Sit down. So I'm gonna have white curtains on both of the windows, and then our couch will probably be over here, most likely sitting on the rug, but it's a really big rug. All right, y'all, so I'm back on the road. I'm going to pick up my daughter from my sister-in-law's house. Yeah, you guys, so exciting. I cannot believe that this day has finally arrived. It's just like a wow moment. I just keep thanking God, like, I'm just so thankful, and I just keep saying thank you God, like, I just feel so grateful because 6 months ago I didn't even know we could buy a house, and I didn't even foresee this happening in June. In January I was just not even necessarily thinking about it, but glory to God, because everything happens because of the man above. So I truly believe that. So anyways, I'm about to go pick up my daughter because I didn't want to take, you know, everybody with us to the closing. My son went with us, but luckily the lady was super sweet in the office, and they had like a little toy bin for, you know, kids. If they have to come, they can play or whatever. And Mason was such a good boy. He just sat in the corner and played with the toys. They had cars and books and stuff like that, so I'm really proud of him. He just sat there and he played. It took about 45 minutes of signing paperwork, you guys, literally. I was like, wow. Like, when we walked in, the stack of paperwork, sorry the light keeps going out, it's because the sun, it's setting. But yeah, when I saw the stack of papers, I was just like, who finna sign on that? Like, it was so much. But I'm so happy that the process is over. So now I have, you know, some knowledge, if you guys are interested in that type of video, how, like, the steps of buying a house, even building a house, since that's what we did. Until you actually get the information, it just seems so hard and so foreign to you, because to me, like, I didn't know anything about buying a house or building a house. I just thought it was just like just too much, you know. But really, if you get the knowledge and all the stuff that you need to know, it's gonna be like a breeze. And as long as you have all your stuff together, like your credit and stuff like that, you should be fine. It's a breeze. So I'm about to hurry up and get her so that I can go home and cook, because I'm pretty sure we're all hungry. I know my husband's hungry. I'm gonna do some chicken bacon ranch Alfredo. That's like kind of my go-to whenever I don't really feel like cooking, or I just need something quick and filling, because everybody loves that. So that's all that we're doing the rest of the night. You guys, I feel like we have so much to do. I guess not really, but like I have to go to Lowe's. My head is itching. That means it's dirty. It feels oily too. We have to go get our refrigerator, so that's out of the way. And then I need to get some spray paint because I want to DIY my vanity. I don't know if I'm gonna keep my vanity or when I spray paint it. And then there's a plant that I was telling you guys earlier that I want to get. Definitely gonna go get that tomorrow. And then what else? I need to order Aaliyah's bed. What else? That's basically it. And then I'm gonna be at work all day, so that's probably sums up our weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can be up to date on all my videos, all my new home videos that I'm gonna do, and all that jazz. So I'm gonna pay attention now because I am driving, and I will talk to you guys later.